and welcome back into the show, everyone. We always hear about these big businesses making amazing donations, 1 million here, 5 million there, and it seems like the answer is always they'll just write it off on their taxes. But what does that really mean? And if it's beneficial, can normal people like you and me do it too? Well, here to answer all those questions and more is our friend Lori Carpenter from Stadler & Company Tax Services. Hi, Lori. How are you?
It's good to be back.
Yes, I'm so happy to have you.
It's always good to be back.
Okay, so now let's talk about donations when it comes to taxes. So what does it really mean when these big businesses donate millions of dollars?
Well, for a lot of businesses, it can be a write-off or an expense that they get to take. On some businesses, it's not going to be an expense for the business itself, but it will flow through to the owner of the business, who can then take it on their personal tax return.
Okay, yeah. But like what about for people like us, just regular everyday people, because we see GoFundMe and crowdfunding and we all fall for those heartbreaking stories and, you know, just wanting to help any individual out. What does that mean for our taxes?
Well, there are several different ways. First of all, you can itemize. If you're going to make some of those bigger donations, you can itemize and take a large portion of that. This year, for the first time, there is an above-the-line deduction for $300, which means you can actually take $300 off if you donate that without having to itemize. Now, when you talk about GoFundMe, that it can bring in some problems, because some of those really heartbreaking stories that you just fall for and you're like, oh, I have to give a little bit to that, they are not charitable organizations. So in order for them to be taken as the charitable donation, it has to be a certified charitable donation.
Oh, okay. So not just, you know, Susie who posts that she needs this for rent or this for anything else. It has to be classified as an organization.
Right. And I believe GoFundMe has a seal that they put on there, so you know right away if it is a certified charitable organization or not.
Okay. And do we need to meet a certain threshold? You have to donate at least $300 or $600, or if I just give $50, is that still something that I can write off?
So if you give $50, it is something that you can write off. And again, that's going to be an above-the-line deduction starting this year.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know. So previously it wasn't something that you could write off.
Right. At $50, it wouldn't be enough without having a lot of other expenses to itemize. But this year you get that little bit of a perk.
Awesome. I never knew that at all.
And if you live in Indiana, a great way to do this is if you have an alumni, a college that you really like, if you donate to that alumni, not only do you get that write-off on the federal, the state also has a write-off of a piece of that. They have a credit that you get a piece of that back.
Oh, and we all know those alumni clubs will email you to death.
Exactly.
Yes.
So say, all right, my $50 on the federal and my $50 will turn into a $25 credit on the state.
Awesome. Yeah. Okay, now what about when we get into donating physical items, old clothes or appliances, anything like that, to Goodwill or Salvation Army?
So it's a little bit different when it comes to those. You have to say, here's what I paid for it, here's what the fair market value is right now. And a great way to do that is to get a thrift store guide, and those valuation guides exist. And you can say, all right, my used dishwasher is worth this much money. Keep a list of that by item, and you'll get a bigger donation total than if you just say, well, I had a bag of clothes.
Right. So what if we do have clothes? Do we itemize that as well? There's a guide that we can go by?
Yeah, so they have like blouses, men's t-shirts. They're going to have a different valuation. And you also want to look at the quality. And another really great thing to do is take a picture of your items. So if the IRS would say, we don't think you had that much in clothing, you can say, no, here's my pictures of what I donated.
Oh,
yeah.
That's very fascinating. The IRS wants pictures.
They do. There's a lot of things that it's good to have a picture of proof.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's just one more thing that we didn't know, that we always need to go to Stadler & Company Tax Services, because you guys are really laying it out and making it so much easier. I love when you come and I just learn all these different things, because I never knew, you know, that about donations, and we hear it all the time. And it seems like the answer is just always, oh, that company, they'll just write it off on their taxes. It's not that big of a deal. But we kind of get the same perks and same benefits just as regular people.
You do. And one other thing to note, that $300 if you donate for 2020, that doubles in 2021. So if there are 2 people on the return, it could be up to $600. Now, if it's just you by yourself, it stays at $300 though.
Okay.
And that $300 or $600 has to be cash. You can't donate clothing or household goods and count that. It has to be cash, check, credit card, payroll deduction.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right.
Thank you so much. I feel every time you come, I just feel a little bit more adult.
Well, that's good.
Yes, absolutely. So, Lori, can you tell the people where they can go to learn more about Stadler and Company Tax Services?
Absolutely. You can go to our website at stadlertax.com, and we have lots of resources there. You can go to playtaxgame.com to check your own knowledge and see how much you know and see if you need a little bit more help. You can also check out our Facebook page at Stadler Tax and Accounting.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And guys, stay right there because we will be back with more Good Day Live.